Very good morning, students. Today I want to explain about next chapter, next exercise, self practice 3D. Previously I have explained up to self practice 3C. Now I want to explain how to solve question number first of exercise self practice 3D. In that question is given same like find each sum. Means we have to add or subtract like that. That depends on sign of the rational number. Which type of sign are given, we have to do according to that expression. Okay. So for that, first question just you see here, plus 1 upon minus 3 means here denominator is minus 3. So what we'll do in this case? In this case, first of all, we have to remove a small bracket. A small bracket we have to remove, so that this minus will go here, then plus minus will get minus will come. Okay. So first of all, we have to remove this small bracket, then plus and minus will come here and 3. So this minus I have transposed this place, so that this after this meeting plus and minus, it is finally minus. So now it is a question like a fraction, difference of fraction or subtraction of fraction. Means just you take LCM of 9 and 3 and then we have to do take process. After that 9 and 3, LCM of 9 and 3 will be 9. Okay, so just you write down here 9. After that 9, in 9 table 9 1 times come, so just you multiply here 1. After in 3 table 9 will come in 3 times, so just you multiply by 3 here. After that multiplication, just you write down here 1 and 1 3 is 3. So just you subtract. After doing this process, just you subtract 1 minus 3. In integer, you know 1 minus 3 what will come? 1 minus 3 or 3 minus 1. This is a difference. Okay. 1 minus 3 and 3 minus 1, both are different value. Both will give different value. But we have to do subtraction here also, and here also we have to do subtraction. But in this, negative value is more and positive value is less. Here positive value is more and negative value is less. So if you will do subtraction of this, you will get minus 2, and if you will do this subtraction, you will get plus 2. So just you always be careful if doing subtraction. Sometimes students will do wrong, just write down this answer, that will be very wrong. So in place of this, you have to write down minus 2. Okay, because negative value is more, so sign will come of negative. Now after that, just write down numerator, denominator. So final answer is minus 2 upon 9. Like that, we have to solve next question also. Just you see here minus 1 upon 5 is given. So just write down here minus 1 upon 5. After that, let's remove this small bracket. So plus minus will get minus. So 9 upon 15 will come. Okay. After then we can here do simplification also. If you want, you can do some simplification. Simplification means just you see here both are cancelled by 3 table. So 3 3 is 9 and 5 3 is 15. After that minus 1 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Next, just to take LCM. LCM both are same, so no need to take more. It will not take more time. So just write down here 5. And now just write down as it is minus 1 here also and minus 3 here also. Okay. After this, what we will do in this? Sometimes students will do subtraction, but it will not subtract. If both has same sign minus and minus, then it will add, and then answer will come in minus only. So minus 1 and minus 3, it will come minus 4 upon 5. We will add, okay, we will add 1 and 3 directly. 3 plus 1, 4 will come, but here both has minus sign, that's why I put here minus. Okay, so final answer will be minus 4 upon 5. Okay, after the next question, this one same like that. So first of all, remove this minus sign. So 4 upon 7 plus and minus will get minus 3 upon 9. Okay, after that we have to take LCM 7 and 9. So 7, 9, 9 both are co-prime number. So just you multiply, we will get the LCM 7, 9, 63. So LCM will be 63. Okay. After that, in 7 table 63 will come 9 times. So we have to multiply here 9. After in 9 table 63 will come 7 times, so we have to multiply by 7 here. Now multiply 4 9 are 36 and 3 7 are 27. Just you subtract 36 minus 27, how much will come? 36 minus 27, you will get 9 upon 63. Okay. After that, just you see here, it is there some cancellation is given. We can do cancellation also. 9 1 is 9, 9 7 is 63. So answer is 1 upon 7. Final answer is 1 upon. Sorry. So just you see here, 9 3 7 are 21 will come. Okay. 3 7 are 21 will come. So not like this. Just you see here, 36 minus 21. So 36 minus 21 it will come 6 minus 1 5 and 3 15 upon 63. Okay, here we can cancel out by 3 table. So 5 3 is 15 and 21 3 is, so final answer is 5 upon 20. Okay, after that just you do solution of this question. First of all, it is given in mixed fraction. First we have to remove mixed fraction. So minus 1 into 3, sorry, 1 into 3, 3 plus 2, 5, so minus 5 upon 3. After that here also, just you remove this small bracket, then here minus will come 19 upon 30. After that we have to take LCM 3 and 30. So we will, 3 and 30 LCM will be 31. Okay, so just write down here 30, then take LCM, just you see here, in 3 table 30 will come 10 times, you have to multiply by 10 here, and 30 table 1 just, so multiply by 1 here, so minus 50 upon 50 minus 19, then you will get minus 69 upon 30. Now we can cancel out by 3 table because both are coming 3 table, so 23 3 ja and 10 3 ja, so minus 23 upon 10. After that you can convert it to mixed fraction also because numerator is greater than denominator. So if you will convert, then you have to divide 10 by 23, then 2 ja 20 will come 3. So this will go in whole number, so minus 2 3 upon 10. So final answer is minus 2 3 upon 10. So like that you have to do question number first of self practice 3. Okay, thank you.